basically today we are at the Department of Process Engineering in order to realize the project of communication that relies on investigating the use of English language at other specialties. So in this video you're going to watch 3 interviews. The first interview is going to be with Mr. Khaibi, a teacher of chemical engineering. The second interview is going to be with the student Mrs. Amnia, and the third one will be an interesting conversation with a third-year student named Miss Bozé. Yes. So hopefully you will enjoy watching this video. And
good morning, sir. Good morning. How are you?
Fine. You? How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you for asking. I'm a student enriching, and this is my first interview. We are Master 1 in English students. We are here to realize the project of communication module, and we would like to ask you a few questions about this field.
Okay. Nice to meet you. I'm going to go ahead.
Thank you. So the first question: do you agree with the new? Do you agree with the new ministerial decision about generalizing the use of English in this discipline?
Yes, of course. I'm totally agree with this decision. You know, now English becomes very important in the field of scientific research. So, and also English is very important for someone who's doing research. We can use English also in writing papers, also in reading articles, for participating in seminars and many other things.
That's great. And do you use English in your field?
Yes, of course. I use English in almost everything. For example, this year we start teaching with English, using English. Also, I use it, as I mentioned before, for reading scientific paper, also for writing articles, for participating in seminar, and for many other things. So it's very important for us.
So, sir, what are the jobs available for this career?
For us, as a chemical engineer, there is many opportunities for students who finish their degree. For example, they can work in industrial fields, for example, food industry. They can work also in refineries, and also they can work for energy production, for biotechnology, and there is many other things they can do.
So there are a lot of choices.
Yes, a lot of opportunities for them.
That's great. The last question is: what advice would you like to give for a student who's interested in this field?
Yes, for students interested in doing chemical engineering, so the first advice is to try to learn English. You know, it will become a language for teaching and for studying. And also the second thing, as chemical engineer, it's a multidisciplinary field, so it includes math, also chemistry and biology. So the advice for them is to try to have the basic of mathematics, chemistry and biology. And the last advice is to try to learn how to use software. You know, software are very important now for facilitate the work and this is so important in our field.
Thank you for being moderated with us.
Thank you so much and good luck.
Thank you so much.
good morning. Fine. What about you? Fine, thank you. So we have a project, and we'd like to have a conversation with you related to your field, process engineering. So can we? Thank you for being collaborative. So the first question is, can you specify the main focus of this field?
In our field of study, we shed light on the small experiments that occur in factories.
And what about the core modules?
Opération unitaire, réacteur, technique d'analyse et séparation de compounds.
Thank you. So, what are the courses you most enjoy in this field?
The course that most enjoy in this field is
Okay, and the last question, do you focus more on the theoretical or practical side?
We focus more on the theoretical side.
Can you explain more?
Good morning. Thank you for accepting the invitation to appear in my interview. Would you please introduce yourself?
Good morning. Yes, of course.
What is your name?
My name is Rania. I'm a student of University Guelma at branch of process engineering.
So I have a few questions to ask to know more about this branch. So the first question is, did you choose the branch as your first subject and why?
Yes, because I love it and I want to explore more about this field, and I want to work in a field.
That is related to the branch.
Yes.
So how was your experience through the past years as a student of process engineering?
Actually, it's not easy, but I love it. I accept it.
So is it so difficult to study, or anyone can succeed?
If you love it, yes, you can, but it's
Not easy.
not
path.
easy. Yes.
So if you goes back in time, would you choose process engineer as your branch to study?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
I choose the same branch.
Thank you for answering, and thank you. Hope you have a nice day.
Thank you so much.
After completing the interviews, I asked my classmates to give me their individual feedback so I can select the main common points and come with the final one. Therefore, I agreed with them on the following. This project was a good, enjoyable, and learnable experience. We loved the field of process engineering. It was a totally different environment. And the most important thing is that we were able to effectively communicate with new people throughout the project. We were satisfied with our interviewees as well, who were kind, collaborative, and facilitated things for us, especially the teacher, Mr. Taibi, who surprised us with his English fluency. We also thank God for helping us completing this task. We were afraid that we might not be able to deliver the work on time due to some struggles with filming the video and with time management. In the first try, the voice and the video were of poor quality, which obliged us to repeat the process from the beginning. And for that, we would like to thank again the teacher and our two interviewees for accepting our request twice. Sadly, this project comes to an end. Lastly, we would like to thank our creative and unique teacher, Miss BENDJEMIL, for her efforts in making this project come to life. She tried her best to push us out of our comfort zone, and we are appreciative. We really thank